Good day, everyone. Before we proceed to our topic, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Michelle B. Betay, PSA 3 major in agronomy. So, we proceed to our topic in lactic acid bacteria serum. So, do you have any idea what is lactic acid bacteria serum? Yes? Okay, very good. Ang lactic acid bacteria serum o tinatawag na LABS na gawa sa tubig, bigas at gatas bilang pataba ay isang kawiling-wiling paksa. So, LABS ay tinatawag na contains beneficial bacteria that can enhance soil fertility and promote plant growth when mixed with rice, water, and milk. So LABS or lactic acid bacteria serum can potentially provide additional nutrients and microbial diversity to the soil, leading to improved plant health and productivity. So additionally, the fermentation process involved in making LABS or lactic acid bacteria serum helps to break down organic matter, making nutrients more accessible to plants. However, it's important to ensure proper application and dosage to avoid over-fertilization or imbalance in soil nutrients. So, using lactic acid bacteria serum derived from rice, water, and milk can be sustainable and cost-effectivity that way enhance soil fertility and support plant growth. So, nga pala, dun muna tayo sa mga tips kung paano magiging increase yung chances ng pagiging success na inyong mga pag-ferment. Tips nga pala, mga ka-agri. Make sure na yung tubig ng panghugas or tubig bigas ay non-chlorinated. Usually, first step pa lang, nagiging unsuccessful na or failed na. Yung tubig pala is ginamit is chlorinated. So, ang property kasi ng chlorine ay pinapatay niya yung bacteria or microorganism. So, mga ka-agri, pwede po itong ipangdilig sa ang hugas bigas sa inyong mga halaman. Dahil itong hugas bigas ay maaaring may dalang nitrogen, may potassium, phosphorus, at may mga microorganisms na rin. So, mga ka-agri, mas maganda if nife-ferment natin para mas activated ang microorganisms niya. At mataas pala to ang acidity, mababa ang pH value niya, kaya acidic siya. Kaya pwede siya mag-contribute ng acidity sa lupa. So, maganda na na-ferment siya. Then, ililipat natin ito sa isang malinis na container. Pagkatapos ng paglilipat natin sa container ay lilabelan natin. I-ferment natin siya good for 1 week. After 1 week, pwede na nating bigyan ng or haluan ng gatas. So, now, dadako naman tayo sa step by step kung paano gagawa ng lactic acid bacteria serum o tinatawag na LABS. So, ayun, tara na! So, mga ka-agri, here a step by step guide to creating lactic acid bacteria serum using the rice water and milk for fertilizer. So, this is the rice water that we ferment for 1 week. Ito yung na-ferment na natin good for 1 week. This is rice water contains beneficial microorganisms that will help ferment the milk. Next, mix rice water and milk in a clean plastic container. Combine equal parts rice water and milk. So, ililipat na natin siya sa malinis na container. So, gagamit tayo ng ganito. Ilagay na natin yung na-ferment na rice water. Next, mix the milk. Ito. So, tatakpan natin siya. So, ito na guys. Tapos na yung pinagmix natin na fermented rice water and milk. So, dadako naman tayo sa pag-ferment. Sa mga ka-agri, for fermentation naman, place in a warm, dark location, ideally around 21 to 27 Celsius. Let it ferment for about 24 to 48 hours. During this time, lactic acid bacteria will proliferate and ferment the mixture. Check fermentation. After 24 hours, check the mixture. It should have a slightly sour smell, indicating that fermentation is taking place. If it smells bad or moldy, discard it and start over. For application, to use the lactic acid serum as fertilizer. Use this diluted mixture to water your plants or as foliar spray. So, pwede natin siya pang foliar spray. So, the benefit of lactic acid bacteria serum o tinatawag na LABS for plants. We've seen how LABS significantly improves plant growth by enhancing nutrient uptake, increasing growth hormone production, and improving soil quality. Its role in bolstering disease resistance and stress tolerance further underscore its importance in plant health. Remember mga ka-agri, to keep all equipment clean throughout the process to avoid contamination. Dapat lahat ng mga ginagamit natin is malinis para maiwasan natin ang contamination. Enjoy the benefits of this natural fertilizer for your plants, mga ka-agri. So, hanggang dito na lang ang ating talakayan. Sana may natutunan kayo at may napulot kayong lesson dito. Thank you and God bless, mga ka-agri.